In this episode, we'll explore the crucial phase of consolidating our design ideas. Building on the foundation laid in previous episodes, we'll review our reference images, select key elements, and refine our design concept to create a cohesive vision for each space. We start by revisiting reference images that we have gathered throughout the conceptual planning phase. These images serve as inspiration and guidance as we refine our design concept. By reviewing them carefully, we can identify the key elements that resonate with our vision for each space. For each space identified in our home renovation project, we'll select one or two reference images that best capture the desired aesthetic and functionality. These images will serve as our primary inspiration and guide our decision-making process as we move forward with the design. While reviewing our reference images, we may find that certain elements from different images resonate with us. In this phase, we'll explore the possibility of combining these elements to create a cohesive design concept. By mixing and matching different elements, we can create a unique and personalized design that reflects our style and preferences. As we consolidate our design ideas, it's important to maintain clarity and focus. Rather than trying to incorporate every design element that we come across, we'll prioritize the elements that best align with our vision for each space. This clarity will help us stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed by too many options. Our mood board serves as a visual representation of our design concept. In this phase, we'll revisit our mood board and compare it to the reference images we've selected. By ensuring consistency between our reference images and our mood board, we can refine our design concept and ensure that all elements are working together harmoniously. Ultimately, our goal in this phase is to narrow down our selection of design elements to the most essential features and components. By shortlisting these elements, we can create a cohesive and streamlined design concept that reflects our personal style and vision for each space. By consolidating our design ideas and shortlisting our design elements, we can reduce the scope of confusion and uncertainty in subsequent stages of design process. This clarity will enable us to move forward with confidence as we transition into the next phase of design process. As we conclude the consolidation of design ideas episode, we mark the end of conceptual planning phase of our home renovation journey. Throughout this phase, we've embarked on a comprehensive exploration of various aspects, including site analysis, identifying spaces with good design potential, knowing our style, seeking design inspiration, creating mood boards and color palettes, and finally consolidating our design ideas. Reflecting on our journey thus far, we've laid a solid foundation for the design process ahead. Each step has been carefully orchestrated to ensure clarity, cohesion, and alignment with our vision for the project. Looking ahead, the excitement continues to build as we transition into the next phase, that is the designing phase. Here, we'll go deeper into the creative process, refining our design concepts and bringing our vision to life in tangible form. With new challenges and opportunities on the horizon, there's much to anticipate and explore. Join us as we embark on the next leg of our home renovation journey, where the possibilities are limitless and the journey is just beginning.